welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi. That's my bestie bomber. Yeah, that TikTok DJ Bashiguba cool. Wachubuya. I'm getting ready. Oh, we're gonna ride. If you see some animals, check the animals. But when they see the two colors, the female ones. Out of 10. I'll get tired.
Turn left. In 100 meters. Turn left.
Can we please have 2 double puri meal? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi. My name is Tshifhiwa. Welcome. I know I've been MIA for a bit, but I'm back now. So we're going to a mini staycation with my bestie, my big sister. So yeah. Please. That's my bestie bomber. So we're just getting breakfast and then we're gonna go
Towards Pretoria.
every time I see the police reported again and that TikTok you're not there. Not there. DJ Bashiguba cool. Wachubuya. No.
Ngikukhethe phakathi kwabantu wena wedwa.
So we're gonna marinate the meat for the bride. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. Oh, this is my cute PJs and my warm socks that my sister bought me. So I'm gonna go shower.
They do make noises, grunting sounds. What
Yeah,
purpose is that?
a male during mating season only. That's why. All pregnant. We don't allow some other males to come here. So you find them with the sick one, the all females.
Yes. Oh.
So the task of these ones and the hippo is the canines, but the task of the elephant is the incisors. Our front, these two front teeth.
So we are done getting ready for the boat cruise. The game drive was absolutely amazing. I think this is one of the best game drives we've had so far because we saw a lot of animals. The guide was so nice and he went the extra miles. So we're gonna go for the boat ride. So we have arrived.
Behind that one, they are on the line like this. You don't have to worry much about them now because we're gonna take you around until to the bottom of the viewpoint. That's where you can see the common face of the three ravens from the boat. To the bank. If we see some animals, Captain will stop the boat, then all of you can come here. But if we're moving 4 people, please swap around. And if you spot something around, let us know, we can take you to it in 1975. The purpose of building the dam wall was to supply this water to the Palapurwa mine. It's a mine of phosphate and copper. So nowadays there's a hoedspruit, game farms, gas farms, Air Force Base, and all the closer villages around. They get supplied with this water for irrigation, drinking, washing, and cooking.
Okay.
They don't generate electricity around here. These ones with the pink colors is the female ones. Those hippos with the pink colors is the female ones. Yeah, with their natural makeup. They make a mistake of turning around, they start running to the South African KwaZulu-Natal. So there's also Victoria Fall, but Victoria Fall is the widest in the world. So those ones are the normal waterfall, they flow in one area. Sometimes they erode the rock. The crocodile in the water, they can stay over an hour to 2 hours.
But this was cute, guys. This 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
I was so sorry.
Done. I will let you know that it's safe. Then you can safely walk out. Yes.
quick stop to get some cappuccinos and to use the bathrooms, but we're gonna continue. Yeah, I'm tired. So I have arrived. I'm so tired because we had to wake up at like around 3, pack stuff, and then drive to Midrand, and then I rested a bit, and then after resting I had to travel back to the site to Northwest. So I'm gonna try to like not vlog to edit this vlog. Hopefully I can edit it all and post it today. If not, I'll post it tomorrow. But thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, like, and then I'm gonna try to like be more consistent with posting content and vlogging.